Why is it so important to work with an audiologist for hearing loss versus trying to do it all on your own? I want to share an example of the perils of buying hearing aids online. Recently, someone who had purchased hearing devices online came to our Scottsdale office looking for help. He had bought hearing aids from a website that allowed him to conduct a self-directed online hearing test at home and take his own ear impressions. We will call him Joe for privacy purposes. Joe should have been proficient with these tasks as a retired veterinarian. This was just not the case. Joe ended up in our office after 6 months of struggling with his new devices, and he did not fully understand why he was having so much trouble. The first problem was the online hearing tests. These tests may be convenient, but they are mostly inaccurate. They are completely unreliable in effectively diagnosing the extent of an individual's hearing loss and are mostly ineffective when used to program hearing devices. Using headphones or speakers on your computer to test your hearing instead of calibrated, high-tech equipment in a soundproof booth is comparable to trying to stitch up your knee when you really need to see a medical professional. When we conducted a hearing test for Joe and compared it to his online test results, no surprise, the results were vastly different. There is no level of technology that can overcome poor programming of hearing devices due to inaccurate hearing test results needed to generate the prescription. The second problem is that doing ear impressions are not a do-it-yourself type of task. Would you trust yourself to perform a thorough skin cancer screening? Probably not. The same goes for your ears. Without an audiologist, an ear anatomy expert, looking into your ear canal and measuring the precise shape and size, you will never be able to obtain the best fit possible. Again, no surprise, Joe's custom ear molds didn't fit well, so they were uncomfortable and caused a lot of feedback. Fit matters not only for comfort, but also for sound clarity. With a poor fit, most sound waves are not directed correctly to the eardrum, making it impossible to fully benefit from the hearing devices. A poor fit will also let sound leak out and cause an annoying high-pitched noise called feedback. Do yourself a favor and save yourself the frustration by working with a person that is experienced and trustworthy, a doctor of audiology. They truly are the key to success with hearing loss and tinnitus. We promise you won't regret the investment in your overall health. If you like this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We provide information and insights about tinnitus, decreased sound tolerance, hearing loss, hearing protection, and a lot more audiology-related topics.